Hello all, we're going to go through how to find officer information on CatLife. So make your way over to catlife.ucmerced.edu. From here you're going to want to make sure you're logged in. And then in the search bar you can put in any organization you'd like. I'm going to use the Office of Student Involvement for an example. So once you've made it to their page, you can see there's a join, there's a contact button, and if we scroll down we can see officers that are active in the organization at the moment. We can view the full roster, but in this situation we're just going to look at the officers and we're going to click on them, and we can see that the email is provided so we can get in contact with them. You can do this with any organization. Thanks for watching.